All right. Good morning, good morning. Finding silver bullet. Let's go. All right. Let's just check here. We're gonna go through FOMC member speaks 12:50 and 1 o'clock and loan officer survey. So you know what? It's still bullish. So I'm thinking, let me just do the fair value gap real quick. I can't think of anything as far as fair value gap, but if I were to do it, I would just go here. Okay. And I think if the fail reversal were happen to go, then I would go. I guess I need to wait until this one close. But I think I would go up. I would go long for sure, but I need the price to retest this support first. Yeah, I think so, but there's no fair value gap pretty much, but I think so. And if this, yeah, I doubt it because I don't think it would be volume, but we're gonna wait to see the FOMC speaks. All right, let's see what happens then. All right, let's just see here. Interesting though. Like, I wasn't sure about this being the right fair value gap, but I think, like, because I understand that it would happen during 10 o'clock ish, right? So that's why I was just drawing it for the sake of the fair value gap. Yeah, because it was just like an accident, to be real honest, and I didn't know it would just create a perfect thing. Because if I refer to fail reversal, this would have been the correct fair reversal. Like, we expect the market would retest the support or the resistance, and then remember as well, since Friday it has been bullish. It's been bullish, right? So Friday left off with a bullish trend. So I think the best way is just follow the trend, right? And then other than that, I think this was like a great fair reversal, but it's just the fair value gap that I wasn't sure. And this, of course, this what members speak affected the market, I believe so, and the loan survey. Yeah, so FOMC member speaks, it was like a yellow folder, but still I think it had to do with the member speak. Yep, let's just see what happens tomorrow then. Yep, another win.